Hi all, this is me Mukesh Raj. I am currently pursuing BTech Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in SNS College of Engineering, Coimbatore. And this video is about Artificial Intelligence in Machine Learning. So let's go into the video. Before going into this video, I will let you know what is meant by Artificial Intelligence. The Artificial Intelligence is a capacity given by human to machines to memorize and learn from experience, to think and create, to speak, to judge and make decisions. And then I'm going to tell about the parts in artificial intelligence. In AI, there are three parts: machine learning, natural language processing, and expert system. In machine learning, it has three parts. They are deep learning, unsupervised, and supervised. And coming upon natural language processing, there are 6 types of processing present in there. They are text generation, question answering, content extraction, classification, and machine translation. Coming upon expert system, there are speech, vision, planning, and robotics. The speech is to text and text is to speech. The vision is used for image recognition and machine vision. And then the AI defining key disciplines are expert systems, neural networks, robotics, fuzzy logic, and natural language processing. The examples present in artificial intelligence are manufacturing robots, self-driving cars, smart assistants, proactive healthcare management, disease mapping, automatic financial investing, virtual travel booking agent, social media monitoring. Coming on machine learning, it is a type of artificial intelligence that allows software applications to become more accurate at predicting outcomes without being explicitly programmed to do so. Machine learning algorithms use historical data as input to predict new output values. As we know, in normal programs, if we give data and program, the computer will give output. But in machine learning, if we give data and output, it will give us program. Application of machine learning are manufacturing, healthcare, insurance, customer service, transportation, e-commerce, and automobile. The types of machine learning are supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement. Supervised is used for task driven, that is predict next value, and the unsupervised is used for data driven, that is identify clusters. The reinforcement is used to learn from mistakes. Character recognitions are image acquisition, pre-processing, segmentation, feature extraction, classification and recognition, post-processing. The character recognition in ML is an ongoing field of research encompassing artificial intelligence, computer vision, and pattern recognition. An algorithm that performs handwritten recognition can acquire and detect characteristics from picture, touch screen devices and convert them to a machine-readable form. Gradient descent is an iterative optimization algorithm for finding the local minimum of a function. To find the local minimum of a function using gradient descent, we must take steps proportional to the negative of the gradient of the function at the current point. This is the graph between contour figure and gradient descent. While coming to general approach in machine learning, there are 5 types of approaches. They are get data, clean, prepare and manipulate data, train model, test data and improve that. The 7 steps of machine learning are gathering data, preparing the data, choosing a model, training, evaluation, hyperparameter tuning and prediction. Building blocks in AI and ML are human, data mining, big data, machine learning, art and artificial intelligence. In human, it is most important. In data mining, finding pattern in data. In big data, adding the columns to rows. In machine learning, technical basis for data mining in big data and inductive needs data. While coming on artificial intelligence, agent that perceives and take actions. AI is at the center of a new enterprise to build computational models of intelligence. The main assumption is that intelligence can be represented in terms of symbol structures and simple operations which can be programmed in a digital computer. That's all about the video and thanks for watching.